Okay, today guys, my husband is making his famous meatloaf, and for sides we're having broccoli, cheese, and rice casserole, and a side order of biscuits. I will be back to show you how I'm going to put the broccoli, cheese, and rice casserole together. I'll be back. Okay guys, I have my broccoli. It's been boiling and it's cooked. So I have that in a pot. And I made some brown rice. So I have some Land O'Lakes garlic and herb butter spread. I'm going to add a little bit of that into the rice before I mix it in with the broccoli. It'll add a nice flavor. And yes, guys, that beeping sound you heard earlier, you guessed it right. It was the smoke detector. So, don't be alarmed by the alarm. Of course, it scared the heck out of my husband. He was like, oh, perfect. But anyway, this is what we're making as a side dish. Mix it in. And now I am going to add the rice in here. And yes, guys, it's wasting off the side a little bit, but that's okay. I'll clean that up. Oh, it smells deliciousness, guys. That garlic herb butter spread adds so much flavor to your cooking. All right, let's get this up. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix this together. You see the steam coming out there, guys? It's still hot. Yeah, we're going to put this in a Pyrex dish, and we're going to put it in the oven so the cheese can melt. This is nice and healthy because we're using a brown rice. So not only will it be deliciousness, guys, it's also good for people that are diabetic. All right. So I am using this right here. This is queso Blanco white cheese sauce. Normally when I make this recipe, I use the cheddar, but I decided, since I came across the white cheddar, I decided I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna go for it. But you guys can use, when you're making this recipe, you can use any type of cheese you want. It do not have to be any type of cheddar. You can do this recipe with your favorite cheese. You could add mozzarella, Asadero, Asiago, Parmesan, pepper jack, whatever cheese you want, whatever your favorite cheese is. Swiss. Sorry about the banging, guys. Now, I am going to, not this week, but next week is Thanksgiving holiday week. And I plan on doing a Cook With Me series for the week of Thanksgiving. The plan is to do one recipe a day for what I'm having for Thanksgiving dinner. And anybody that wants to join in the fun can join me, can cook along with me, or in the comment section below, you can share what you're making for Thanksgiving. So now I'm mixing everything together. Now I bought 2 cans of the white cheddar cheese, but since I am going to layer this in the pan with the shredded cheese, I don't think I need to add any more canned cheese. This is going to be just right. Okay, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Yeah, guys, if you've never cooked before and you want to join me just to observe how I do my Thanksgiving dinner, you are more than welcome. Please join me. Please join me. Thanksgiving is next Thursday, so I will start the series Monday. And the recipes are going to be fun, tasty, and nice and easy to make. It's not going to take a lot of time. All right, let me show you what it looks like. All right, that's it all mixed together. Don't that look deliciousness, guys? Okay, now let's see. I have my Pyrex dish here, and it has a little bit of olive oil in the bottom. And so I'm going to layer the bottom. Layer the bottom. And now this is already done, so we're just going to put it in the oven just long enough for the shredded cheese to melt. Okay, now I have the Fiesta blend from Great Value. I like the different cheeses that comes in here. Finely shredded Monterey Jack, cheddar cheese, quesadilla, and asadero cheese. So we're gonna put a layer of this cheese on the top. I'm gonna put a layer on the top. Here we go. That's a little pinch in there. There we go. There. Oh, wait a minute. I see a part I missed right there. There we go, guys. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. We just need a little pinch right there. Maybe a little pinch here and a little pinch there. Okay. There we go. So now, let me show you what it looks like. Oh my gosh, you can see it. Don't that look deliciousness, guys? Okay, so I'm going to put this in the oven, a preheated oven. My husband have the Meatloaf in the oven now. So this can go in the oven for about, I would say 8 minutes. And I'll be back. Okay, guys. Here is everything finished. Sorry about the shadow. There is the broccoli, cheese, and rice casserole. And here is the meatloaf. Now hold on a second. And here is the biscuits, guys.
With butter, garlic, herb.
With butter, garlic, herb, butter or spread. All right, guys, now for the final reveal. Okay, guys, here it is all plated up. Meatloaf, broccoli, cheese, and rice casserole, and some biscuits with butter, herb, garlic spread. There it is, guys. Now, don't that look deliciousness? Now tell me that's not enough to feed a hungry belly. Happy eating!